I decided to send this message, ladies and gentlemen, to answer the many questions that have been coming from our friends, from our allies, and yes, from those who are skeptical. They are asking, what is people power? Or what do we stand for? Or why do we continue to struggle? I know this question will need a longer explanation, and yes, when I come back home this Thursday, I will endeavor to explain further. But most importantly, I want to make it clear that people power is not about Bobi Wine or anybody else for that matter. People power is you, people power is me, people power is all of us. People power are all those people that are struggling to have a better country, to have a country that makes sense for them. I am only one of the more than 40 million Ugandans who continue to be oppressed. So when I speak, I am only trying to echo the voice of millions and millions of Ugandans that continue to suffer. I also want to make it clear that we are not a violent group of people. We despise violence and we are not associated with violence whatsoever. I've been telling you right from the beginning that we should be peaceful but assertive. I know President Museveni and his lieutenants have tried so much to project us as a violent group so that they can respond to us with violence. They have tried to twist everything we say to make it sound like a call for violence. I know they will plant many people, many criminals among us to throw stones so that they can respond to us with bullets.